Good morning, children. All of you open your textbooks. Page number 68. Page number 68. Okay. Yesterday I had completed up to 15 number names. Okay. Today from 16 number. We are starting from 16 number. Okay, up to 15 all of you number names came now. 1 ONE 1, 2 TWO 2, like that up to 15. Okay, then now 16 number name. See here 10 balloons are there. Okay, and again 1 2 3 4 5 6 separate balloons are there. Okay, 10 balloons and more 6 balloons means here 10 after take out 6 fingers. Okay, take out 6 fingers. Here 10 after count that. 10 after 11 12 13 14 15 and 16. Okay, that is the number name 16. Understand? 10 plus 6 is equal to 16. Okay, now next, what is the number name of 16? That is SIX 6 TEEN 16. Okay, SIX 6 number you know, and teen spelling also you know. Okay, then join the two number names, that is 6 one number name and teen half part of the number name, then 16. Okay, next 69 page number. See in this page number, here again 10 balloons are there, more 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 more balloons are there. Here 10 numbers, 10 balloons, and here more 7 balloons. So let us count. See here 10 balloons and 7 balloons. So take out your 7 fingers. Okay, here one hand have 5 fingers, then 5 after 6 7, 2 fingers, take out 2 fingers. Okay, here 5 6 7 fingers. Then here 10 balloons are there, then count after 10. Count after 10. Count it. 11 12 13 14 15 16 and 17. Okay, total 17 number. Now 17 number is coming. Then what is the number name of 17? Okay, here 10 plus 7, that is 17. Okay, 17 spelling. See, 7 spelling you know, 7 spelling SEVEN 7. Okay, next teen spelling TEEN teen means 17. 17 spelling. Okay, 17. 10 plus 7 17. Okay, next here again 10 balloons are there and more 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 more 8 balloons are there. So here 10 balloons, more 8 balloons are there. So 10 plus 8. Okay, then take out 8 balloons. Take out your fingers, 8 fingers. Then here 5 fingers, then 6, 7, 8. Okay, total 8 fingers. Take out 8 fingers. Then 10 after, count it. After the 10 number, you have to count it. Then 11, 12, 13, okay, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. Then 18 number is coming. Okay, then 18 number, 18, spelling of 18. What is the number name of 18? Okay, see here you know, you already know that is 8 number name. What is that? EIGHT, 8. Then teen spelling also you know, that is TEEN. Then EIGHT, 8, EEN, 18. Then this is the number name of 18. Okay, then again next line, see here already 10 balloons are there and more 9 balloons. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. More 9 balloons are there. So here 10 after more 9 balloons. Then take out your fingers, 9 fingers. Then see here 5 no. Next 6, 7, 8, 9. Totally 9 fingers are be taken out. Then count it. Here 10. After the 10 you have to count that. 10 after 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. Totally 19 number will come. Okay. Then what is the number name of 19? Okay, you already know that is 9. 9 number name. Then teen number name also you know. Teen spelling also you know. Then NINE, 9, TEEN, 10, 19. Okay, this is the spelling of 19. Okay, then 2 tens. 2 tens. See here 10 balloons have one bunch of balloons. Okay, 10 balloons having in one bunch. Okay, and another 10 balloons also having in one bunch. So 10 plus 10, 10 plus 10, how much? 20. See here 10 fingers are there. Okay, keep aside. Then again 10 fingers. Then 10 after 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Then totally 10 plus 10, how much? That is 20. 20. Okay. Then what is the number name of 20? TWENTY. 20. Okay. What is the number name of 20? TWENTY. 20. Okay. Then up to here completed 20 number names. Okay. We have to completed that 20 number names. Then again next topic, regrouping tens and ones. Okay, regrouping tens and ones. Okay, see here downside boxes are there. Okay, how many boxes here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 12 boxes are there. Here regrouping tens, that means we have two different tens and different ones. Okay, here up to 10, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is the different one, 10. Okay, here there are no tens different part. Okay, then again ones means like this, ones. Okay, like this, ones is the different part. So regroup this one. Again see here, regroup means here 10 boxes are there, no, this is the one group. Okay, then another 2 boxes is there, no, this is the another group. Then regrouping tens and ones. Okay, means 10 numbers we have to rearrange the group. Then remaining 2 boxes are there, that is the another group. Okay, here 10 plus 2, 12 means, so 12 ones, this is 12 ones, one box means 12 boxes are there, but one box is there. Okay, totally 12 boxes, but here separately one box, that is 12 ones. Okay, 12 boxes, one is there, so 12 ones. Here regroup, then change the group. Okay, change the group means tens is different part and ones is also different part. So now we have to do 10 is different part. So here 10, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So this 10 is different box, and 10 after how many numbers are there? 2. Okay, that is 2 is another different part. Then totally the number 10 plus 2, that is 12 only. Okay, this is called regrouping. Means separately given here, that is one group. Okay, now what is the heading here? Regrouping tens and ones. So change the group, tens is one group and ones is also one group. Understand, tens is the one group and ones is the another one group. So like that is called regrouping. Okay, there. Okay, next page. In next page, see here 70 page number. Forward and backward counting. Forward means front counting, means after numbers only we are reading, that is forward counting. Means 1 after 2 after 3 after 4 after 5. Forward means after numbers only we have to count it, that is the forward numbers, forward counting. Okay, see here, counting in reverse order is called backward counting. Counting is reverse order, means before numbers we are counting, that is the backward counting. Okay, understand? See here, counting forward. Forward means after numbers we have to count it. Backward means before numbers only we have to count it. Okay, here counting forward. Forward means what I said now, that is after numbers. See, 1 after 2 after 3 after 4 after 5 after 6 after 7 after 8 after 9 after 10. This is called forward counting. Okay, we all are know that one. Okay, we all are know forward counting. Okay, then now counting backward. Okay, counting backward. See here, 10 before number 9, 9 before number 8, 8 before number 7, 7 before number 6, 6 before number 5, 5 before number 4, 4 before number 3, 3 before number 2, 2 before number is 1. This is called backward counting. Then reverse order. Okay, then reverse order, that is called backward counting. You know, okay, understand. Counting forward means that is after numbers we have to counting, so that is all we have to know that one. Okay, then counting backward means we have to count in reverse order, means before numbers will come. Okay, 9 after 11 will come, but here 9 is coming, then that is the before number. Okay, that is backward counting. Understand? Okay, see here the next bit. Regroup and write your answer in the boxes. Now I said na regroup, how to arrange regroups, that is tens are different group and ones are different group. Okay, understand? The tens are different group and ones are different group. Okay, regroup and write your answer in the boxes. Okay, here 15 ones, the number is given, that is 15 ones. Okay, then how to regroup this number? How to regroup this number? See here, here tens are one group and ones are one group, I told na. Say here tens means in 15 how many tens are there? In 15 how many tens are there? That is only 1 10. Okay, 10. Okay, then ones, how many ones are there? See here we will count. Okay, 10 after, here 15, we want 15 number, here 10 I written, so 10 after count up to 15 number, 10 after count up to 15 numbers. So see here 10 after 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So how many numbers are there? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 ones individual, that is separately 5 ones is there. Okay, so the answer is 15. 10 plus 5, 15. Okay, understand now? Okay, in this regrouping, tens are different group, tens are separate group, and remaining tens, that is ones, that is also different group. Understand? Tens are separate group, the totally tens are combining each one, that is tens, that is separate group, and remaining tens after remaining one all, that is individual group, that is separate group. Now I am saying, see, listen carefully. Okay, the tens are separate group, remaining tens, that is also separate group. That's it. Okay, here tens are separate group, so I am writing 10. Then remaining how many ones are there? That is 5. Then how? 10 after 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 5. Here 15 came. So 5 numbers will come. That is the 15 answer. Understand? Next here 18 is there. 18. So in 18 how many tens are there? 1. Okay, that is 10. Okay, 10. Tens are separate group, I told na, that is tens are separate group. So here regroup, arranging regroups, that is the one group 10. The another one group, that is, then how? See here 10 after count up to 18. 10 after count up to 18. 10 after count it. 10 after 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, Then totally how many numbers, how many fingers are there? That is here 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, then means 8 numbers, then 8 ones. Okay, 10 plus 8, that is 18. Okay, okay. These two, C and D, these two bits are homework. Okay, tomorrow I will say that. Then you complete the homework.